Thanks for visiting Build Up Trades, powered by Build Up Investments, Inc. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial professional. I am strictly sharing my experiences for educational purposes only. Please do your own research with whatever information you get from me or anyone else you get on YouTube or anywhere. With that said, let's get into it. Welcome back to Build Up Trades. Let's get into taking responsibility. The pain of the loss. It happens to everyone. You enter a trade with high hopes. The price moves against you, and suddenly you're looking at a painful loss. What's the immediate reaction? Blame. We blame the company's earnings report, the unexpected Fed decision, the market makers, or that random economic event we never saw coming. We blame everyone and everything except the one person holding the mouse, ourselves. Today, we're exposing a fundamental secret. From the top technical traders, successful traders never blame the market for a loss. This isn't just about discipline, it's about shifting your entire perspective to achieve lasting profit. So, why blaming is fatal to your trade? The market is random, chaotic. It delivers unexpected events that no one can predict. Accepting this fact is the first step towards responsibility. When you blame the market, you are mentally giving up control. You turn the trade into a gamble, implying the loss was due to bad luck. This is dangerous for two reasons. One, it kills learning. If the loss was purely the market's fault, you don't analyze your decision-making process. You don't review your entry criteria, your indicator settings, or your stop placement. You simply move on, guaranteeing the same mistake happens again. Two, it fuels revenge trading. Blame leads to anger, and anger leads to revenge trading. One of the fastest ways to empty your account, you enter your next trade impulsively, trying to get back what the market took from you. Reality is simple. You control only two things, your entry and your exit. If the market moved against you, your risk management plan failed, not the market. So let's get into the art of total accountability. Successful traders know that the market doesn't know you, your gender, or your financial needs. The market is indifferent. It judges you solely on your merits. Taking total responsibility means adopting this mantra. If I enter the trade, the outcome is mine. This empowers you. It forces you to ask different questions. This level of scrutiny is what turns a losing trade into an invaluable piece of tuition. You are transforming chaotic noise into clean, usable data. So your next step to discipline. The most difficult thing to do in trading is exiting a losing trade. It requires accepting the loss and moving on. Here is your next step to practice total accountability. 1, plan your exit first. Never open a position without a predetermined stop loss and profit target. 2, analyze the blame. When you feel the urge to blame the market, write down exactly why you are upset. Then review that event next week in your trading journal. And 3, stay objective. Use indicators to keep emotion out of your decisions. Your success is based on observation, not conventional wisdom. Stop blaming the market. own your trades, own your strategy, and you will own your results. If this helped you gain clarity on your trading mindset, hit the like button and subscribe. Check the description for a link to our free simple trade tracker to start turning your losses into lessons today. Safe trading. Peace.